Hi friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Thankful Garden stamp set. Well, it's a bundle actually, and some pattern paper from the same name. So I have a piece of Melon Mambo here, and it is sized 5 1/8 by 3 1/2. And I am going to score at 3/8 and 1 3/8. So this fun fold is called the double box fun fold. This is the second box that we're working on right away. All right, so I am going to put that aside and we're going to start on the other card base, the card base proper. I'm just going to show you how that's folded, just like that. Put that aside and move on to the card base that is 9 3/8 inches by 4 1/4 inches tall. We are going to score again at that 3/8 mark, and then 1 3/8 and 2 7/8 and 3 7/8. And I am just going to say right now that there is a link in the description box below, or if you're on the blog, you're going to see it's a download PDF here. And you can download the PDF for this so you don't have to write down all the measurements. So I'm happy to share, and hopefully you will make this card. All right, so I'm just going to fold up these edges here. All my score lines. I do find that I go over the scored lines a couple of times when I'm using my trimmer. When I'm using my scoreboard, I don't have to. All right, so that is what the card should look like. So we're going to get into some designer series paper. I, of course, used the Lovely Garden designer series paper. And again, this is the Lovely Garden stamp set. And I also am throwing in a new product called the Textured Notes dies. So they're new online exclusives. You can get them right now. So these are the amazing Textured Note dies. Look at the detail on those. Getting a close-up, and I'll show you the close-up of the sentiment rectangle that I'm going to use, and also the white piece of card. Look at the detail. They're so nice. I'm quite enthralled with this die set. All right, so I'm using the sentiment that says, thankful for you, friend. And I ink that up with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm stamping right in the center of that new, I got to get the name right, Textured Notes dies. All right, so this is the Lovely Garden designer series paper, and I have cut down. Now the DSP here is 3 1/2 by 3 1/4. So this is my mistake. I made a mistake. I put this paper on the wrong side of the card. But so this piece of paper, this is going on the right side of the card base. It's 3 3/4 by 4. So basically all I did was I folded the cardstock the opposite direction, and then I was right again. So you basically fold the card in half, and then the second piece is where you're going to put this designer series paper. It is 1 1/4 wide and 4 inches tall. It's basically the front of the box, guys. So here's my dry adhesive, my Seal Plus. And basically what you do is you put it on that little tab, and then you fold the card in half, and then you fold that in half. So it's really easy, and you'll get the perfect measurements every time if you do everything correctly. But you can see there's a nice border around the designer series paper, and I have made a little box. So here's my second box. I'm going to put adhesive. You can use wet glue if you wanted to. I'm not gonna because wet glue gets everywhere and it makes me sticky. So I'm just going to use my dry adhesive, Seal Plus. I'm going to put a piece of strip there. And then basically you saw me flap that flap down. And then I'm going to put this piece in like that. Really easy. But look at me make another box. See? See how that was done? How am I going to explain that? I'm trying to type it out going, no, I'm not going to. You're just going to have to watch the video. And hopefully you'll remember. All right, so I'm going to zhuzh this. Okay, so the back where the sentiment goes, I have this piece of card that I die cut using the textured note dies. You could just use a regular piece of paper, obviously, but you're going to see a lot of these textured notes because I like them. All right, so I put that on the back of the card, and that's where the sentiment's going to go. And then I'm going to play around a little bit with this floral that comes with the stamp set called, like I said, the Lovely Garden stamp set. So I already colored and die cut the flower. I put dimensionals on the back of it. And then I did this all off screen because, we're here for the fun fold, not my coloring today. So and I put dimensionals on half of this sentiment. And then the other half, I just put dry adhesive. And then I'm going to attach that to the front. You're going to notice that this card fits in an envelope. So no extra envelopes needed. But it looks so cute. So there you go. That is my card for today. Thank you so much for spending time with me. For all the comments you leave, the thumbs up, and all the YouTube-y things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it as it really helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.